Hi YouTube. Well, recovering from a cold, and I just wanted to share a little experience. I've got a Kreg router table, the bench top router table, and it's working pretty good. But the I don't know if you can see over here, the skill router I'm using, the height adjustment on it really bites. It's really not very good at all, and so I've got a goodie that I just got from Amazon today, and I'm hoping it's going to be a game changer on that router table. So it's an old school router lift. I didn't bother with the electronic one, first of all, because I don't use the router a whole lot, and also because yeah, I just didn't want to really spend the money, so what, I'm cheap. There's another project I'm working on back here too that we'll get to in a little while. Another video down the road a bit. Okay. Instructions. Inserts and insert wrench. Oh man, that's all assembled. Look at that. All in one piece. Oh, and that's nice aluminum. Another insert pre-installed. Very nice machined aluminum. It's got some good weight to it. Looks very solid. Looks very nice. Okay. Set that down here for a second. Let's scoot on over here. Okay, and this just lifts right out. Guess I need to unplug it, don't I? Look at that, perfect. Absolutely perfect. Man, it's almost perfect. And I'm sorry my videos aren't any better. I'm just, first of all, I'm not that good at it. Second of all, I don't really care. Main thing is I want to share information, and the quality of the video I'm not too concerned about. You guys can figure out what's going on. I also don't want to assume that you're stupid either, and be telling you way too much stuff, way more than you need to know. And I also don't want to assume that I know more, because I really don't. I haven't got a clue what I'm doing. I haven't got a clue. Okay, let's see. I think I'll pop that insert out. I need the bit out. Okay. I don't know if it's going to matter. I assume that's the front. I'm guessing I want the switch in the back. This is the other thing I'm a little concerned about too, because on this one my speed control's on the top. Well, it's going to be the bottom. Okay, so that's going to hit on that. So give it just a little turn so everything clears, and we'll see where we end up. Okay, and they even give you an Allen key, a couple of Allen keys. I'm guessing that's the corner screws. I'm guessing that's the corner screws. Okay, that seems like a big Allen key. Yeah, I didn't know that. That's a smaller. I was saying I can't imagine they wouldn't give you an Allen key. Okay, there we go. Yeah. Maybe that's up too high. I think I'm gonna raise the motor a little bit. Obviously, there's some adjustment in there. You can go around a couple times because when you tighten the others, it loosens what you've already done. Wow, this is a lot. Okay. Okay. Their set screws aren't, or their height adjustment screws aren't going to work because the corner brackets on the Kreg table, these set screws are going to be outside those. So we have to do our height adjustment with the screws on the Kreg table. So we'll scoot back over here. Can you see okay? Man, that's wild. This insert fits better than the Kreg insert. Sorry, your bobbin don't make you sick. Sorry guys, I'm not used to entertaining while I'm working. There we go. That's just... Okay, and then cams. No play at all. There's not done. That doesn't even have the screws in yet. I think that might be a little on the high side. So these screws aren't doing anything. These height adjustment screws. I just want to make sure they're low enough to clear. And they gave me corner screws, and there's a pin as well. So the pinhole, oh nice, you got a pinhole on both sides of the bit. Look at that. Oh, that's sweet. Sweet, sweet. And their corner screws fit the Kreg table just fine. These were a bit overkill. I mean, they're 2 feet long. And I should have an Allen key for those. Here's the other Allen key out of the bag. Okay, and that does drop it a little bit, so So you need to adjust these corners a tad high because it does suck them down. Okay. So, is the included one work? Okay, yeah, so the included, there's 2 Allen keys came with it. The small one does fit the adjusting screws on your Kreg table. So this one you... Suck it down. Yeah, beauty. Look at that. Okay, don't need those. You can hold them. Okay. And let's see. Unlock. I'm surprised that keeps turning. Uh-oh. Let's go. Oh, okay. I expected it just to be like a quarter turn. Oh, look at that. Look at that. And I think this one had 3 inches of travel, if I remember right. Look at that. Oh, even gets my button up above. Look at that. Oh, that's sweet. That is so cool. Man, you don't even need offset wrenches. Look at that. That's beautiful. Okay, and then and the pin has a knurled knob on top, so you can get it tighter. What's my scale? Can't read it. Oh, my glasses. Okay. Oh, that is awesome. And then the lock. Okay. Now that I did not expect, but that's, yep, nice and solid. Okay. So cool. Motor adjustments will be a bit of an issue. I'm thinking I'm probably just going to get a mirror and have a mirror I can get in there with to be able to set the motor adjustments. And let's see, I don't need all that. All I need is going up to my back of my switch, stuff my wire in. So if you've looked, the Kreg one that's made for the table, sorry about the motion sickness, the one that's made for the table, it's crazy. It's like $350 or something. This one on Amazon, I think it was $220, and it's for any router with a 3-inch motor casing. And it just, how easy was this? I mean, there's just nothing to it. Let's see, tighten this way. Look at that. That is so cool. Let's see. It's dead flat. Yeah, wow, that's nice. And this Dutch box. I've got a, excuse me, I've done another video on it, and it works exceptionally well. Let's see. Before it plugs in the side, fence drops down on top. And the 2-inch in the back. Okay, there you have it, YouTube. Old school's router lift. It's just that easy. It couldn't be any easier. Okay, YouTube. Thank you. I hope this is helpful. I hope it's a little bit of information that you've been looking for. I highly recommend this, especially for the Kreg router tables. Any table that's got the same size cutout. This is, I would consider this a game changer. This is awesome. Have a great day.